Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSA Confidence Booster. In this video, we will discuss another 30 objective questions related to DC generators. All questions are collected from previous year's question papers. So friends, these questions are very important. So don't skip till the end. Then let me start. Question number 1. In a DC generator, the critical resistance means the resistance of. Answer is option C, field. Question number 2. In a DC generator, the brushes on the commutator are shifted from geometrical neutral positions to. Answer is option B, avoid sparking. Question number 3. The DC generator works on the principle of. Answer is option B, Fleming's right hand rule. Question number 4. For a p-pole lap-wound DC machine having an armature current IA, the conductor current in the armature winding is. Answer is option B, IA by P. Question number 5. The number of armature parallel paths in a two-pole DC generator having duplex lap winding. Answer is option A, 4. Question number 6. If a residual magnetism of a shunt generator is destroyed accidentally, it may be restored by connecting its shunt field. Answer is to a battery. Question number 7. The dash generator has poorest voltage regulation. Answer is option B, series. Question number 8. The armature of a DC machine is laminated in order to reduce. Answer is option A, eddy current losses. Question number 9. The greatest eddy current loss occurs in the dash of a DC machine. Answer is option D, armature. Question number 10. Carbon brushes are used in a DC machine because. Answer is option A, carbon lubricates and polishes the commutator. Question number 11. Which of the following DC generators has rising VI characteristics? Answer is option A, series. Question number 12. In a DC generator, the EMF generated in the armature is maximum when. Answer is option B, rate of change of flux linked is maximum. Question number 30. The voltage of a DC generator can be increased by. Answer is option A, increasing the speed of rotation. Question number 14. Which of the following generating machine will offer constant voltage on all loads? Answer is option C, level compounded generator. Question number 15. DC generator generates. Answer is option A, AC voltage in the armature. Question number 16. The current in armature conductors of a DC machine is. Answer is option C, AC. Question number 17. Resistance when connected in series with field of shunt generator. Answer is option C, decreases its EMF. Question number 80. Dash together are called stay losses. Answer is option A, copper and iron losses. Question number 90. The material used for split ring is. Answer is option B, copper. Question number 20. In DC generators, the case of rapid brush wear may be. Answer is option D, any of the above. Question number 21. Normally, armature resistance of a DC machine will be in the order of. Answer is option D, 1 ohm. Question number 22. The potential difference generated between the ends of the coils is transmitted to the output terminals by the. Answer is option B, brushes. Question number 23. Which of the following motors is used for rolling mills? Answer is option B, DC cumulative compound motor. Question number 24. When the electric train is moving down a hill, the DC motor acts as. Answer is option C, DC series generator. Question number 25. Interpoles are meant for. Answer is option D, reducing sparking at the commutator. Question number 26. In a DC generator, the interpole field coils are connected in. Answer is option A, series with the armature. Question number 27. Residual magnetism can be lost in a DC generator is due to. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 28. In the DC generators, the pole shoes are fastened to the pole. Answer is option D, counter sunk screws. Question number 29. The method by which an EMF induced in a DC generator. Answer is option B, dynamic. Question number 30. In a DC generator, for armature winding, super enamel copper wire is used, but the resistance of a wire depends on. Answer is option D, all the above.